What's up, guys? I'm Tort. You can't really see me, but I wanted to do a quick little video on this bad boy here. This is the Travis Scott Fortnite collab action figure. I got this in a couple days ago, and this thing is really cool. So it actually comes packaged very nice. It comes inside this box, and then this box is inside another box, and it's pretty secure. It doesn't move around at all, so it came very minty, very good condition. I'm on the floor, FYI. So this is it. It comes in just like this. You see Fortnite logo on the top. So this released, oh my god, let's say 5 months ago, April or May, I think. I'm not really sure. 5 or 6 months ago. It just got here. I remember when we were ordering it, it said won't be there till October. We're like, oh my god, so far away. Look, now it's October. So you take this out of the box, slides out really nice. Oh boy, you see Cactus Jack. So that's supposed to be not damaged like that, but so there it is. Right there you see Travis Scott with a little like Terminator face. You see he's like half robot there. On the side you get a little Fortnite logo. On the back, Cactus Jack, live in your world, rage in ours. Fortnite on the other side. So that's that. On the bottom, you know, you have your, I guess there's batteries that need to go in here, because those batteries are to be replaced by an adult, requires 3 times LR44 1.5 volt battery cell batteries. So I guess it does need batteries. Pretty crazy. So then you can take the plastic sleeve off like this. Like mine's kind of damaged. Then you can take the cardboard sleeve off just like that. And this thing is really cool. So here it is, the actual action figures. I think these sit 12 inches tall. So you have, you know, the Fortnite with their axe, the pickaxe over here on the left. The Fortnite guy with his, you know, you have the Travis Scott branding on the world on the face there, if you guys can see that. It's pretty cool. Sicko mode, and then T-3500. And it is awesome. Travis looks like he is like, you know, half robot. You can see through the skin, like the robotic chest and arms and face. You can see a little bit of his face on this side. And he's also wearing the Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott shoes on here, which is really dope. Comes with the scar, the Fortnite scar. But yeah, man, this set is really cool. This is something that I really want to keep in the collection for a while. I'm never going to open this. His last action figure that released, or at least the older one, goes for like $2,500. I know it's like, I don't know, 5 to 7 years old. I mean, everyone that bought this is hoping that this will turn into that eventually. I don't see this going down in value. I know I see it on eBay for like $130, $150. So you can already double your money if you want to sell it right away, because this was like $75 retail. But this thing is super, super dope. And on the back you see the same branding from the slip cover. But yeah, so that is it, guys. That is the Travis Scott Fortnite collab action figure set. This thing is super dope, man. And let me know if you guys got your hands on this. And let me know what you guys are going to do. Are you going to sell it? Are you going to hold it? Are you going to display it somewhere, or sell it for a profit right away, or, you know, have it in your collection for a while? I plan on keeping this for years. So thank you so much for watching. Just a quick little unboxing of the Travis Scott collab. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.